Dawn, my trusty elf, in form of Mercury himself, has sent from George shall shine his sail, and charge himself tonight with all his fleet.
Behold, upon my bended spear, a monster's head stands bleeding, with tushes far exceeding those that the Venus husband's fair.
The sky is cloudy. Hark! Hark! The thunder rends a mountain notes asunder. Haste, haste to town, haste, 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 haste to town, haste, haste to
Shall we wait? But what language can I try my injured queen to pacify? No sooner she resigns her heart, and from her arms I'm forced to part. How can so hard a faith be took? One night endure, the next forsook. Yours be the blame, ye gods, for I obey your will, but with war is could die, but with war could die.
hear us now. Lift my name. 'Tis the vow that this spirit may attain. Through this love I am forsaken. This my mother gave to me. Heaven's law will chasten thee. Rather by this maid I perish than live this life to cherish Mother Mary. Your kiss is my pain, and through years of repair. Maiden, will you come with us? No, leave this letter, I must go. Sleep again, dies growing. And sent me back, unhappy maid that died.
Papagena, pretty darling, Papagena, lovely starling. No more hope, there's no forgiving, sick and tired am I of living, since my love has been in vain. I shall die to end my pain. Yonder tree shall be my gallows, there I'll hang to end my sorrows. Thus to life I make rebuff. World, good night, I've had enough. For I was too harshly treated. All my hopes have been defeated. Very soon I'll cease to be. Lovely maidens, think of me. Lovely maidens, think of me. Will not someone show compassion ere I hang in such a fashion? Well, this once I'll let it go. Just reply, say yes or no. Just reply, say yes or no. No one answers. All is quiet. Here I stand deserted. Then my end can't be averted. Papageno, go ahead. Tie the noose and you are dead. Papageno, go ahead. Tie the noose and you are dead. Well, I'll wait a while. Let's see. I'll wait a while. Well, let's see. Till I count from 1, 2, 3. 1. 2. 2.5. 2 3/4. 3. No one came, my lot is cast. So this moment is my last. Not a hand will mine restrain. Fare thee well, the world of pain. Fare thee well, the world of pain.
What a picturesque spot. I wonder where we are.
And I wonder where Papa is. We have left him ever so far behind.
Oh, he will be here presently. Remember, poor Papa is not as young as we are, and we came over a rather difficult country. But how thoroughly delightful it is to be oh so entirely alone. Why, in all probability, we are the first human beings to ever set foot in this enchanting place, except the mermaids. I think it's the very place for the mermaids, who are only human beings down to the waist.
But then, who can be said strictly to set foot anywhere? Tails they may, but feet they cannot.
I wonder where Papa and the servants are with the luncheon.
Well, we are quite alone, and the sea is as smooth as glass. Suppose we take off our shoes and stockings and paddle?
Yes, yes, the very thing!
Stop, ladies, pray. I had intended not to intrude myself upon your notice in this effective but alarming costume. But under these peculiar circumstances, it is my bounden duty to inform you that these proceedings will not be unwitnessed.
But who are you, sir, speak?
I am a pirate.
A pirate!
If you will cast your eyes on me, however plain you'll be, I'll love you. I'll love you. I'll love you.
Alas, there's not one maiden here whose homely face and bad complexion have caused the hope to disappear of ever-waning best affection.
Not one,
No, no, not one.
not one.
No, no. Yes, one. 'Tis Mabel. This is Mabel. Oh, sisters, have you picked his name? For shame. It's true that he has gone astray, but pray
your sorrow?
I will try, dear Mabel. But why does he sit night after night in this drafty old ruin?
Why do I sit here? In order to escape those pirates, I described myself as an orphan. And heaven help me, I am no orphan. I came to humble myself before the tombs of my ancestors and to implore their pardon for having brought dishonor upon the family escutcheon.
But you forget, sir, you only bought the property a year ago, and the stucco on your baronial castle is scarcely dry.
Frederick, in this chapel are ancestors. You cannot deny that. With the estate, I bought the chapel and its contents. I do not know whose ancestors they were, but I know whose ancestors they are. And I shudder to think that their descendant by purchase, if I may so call myself, should have brought such dishonor upon what I am 100% sure was an unstained escutcheon.
Be comforted. Had you not acted as you did, these reckless men would assuredly have brought in the nearest clergyman and have married your large family on the spot.
I thank you for your proffered solace, but it is unavailing. I assure you, Frederick, that such is the anguish and remorse at the abominable falsehood by which I escaped those easily deluded pirates, that I would go to their simple-minded chief this very evening and confess all, did I not fear the consequences would be most disastrous to myself. At what time does your expedition march against these scoundrels?
At 11. And before midnight, I hope to have atoned for my involuntary association with the pestilent scourges by sweeping them from the face of the earth. And then, dear Mabel, you will be mine.
Are your devoted followers at hand?
They are. They only wait my orders.
Then, Frederick, let your escort lion-hearted be summoned to receive a general's blessing ere they depart upon their dread adventure.